Hello, welcome to another tutorial with Aaron. We're going to be doing a tutorial about Loveworld. You're the essence of my life, and I'm going to be playing it in a key of B flat. When I finish, I'll try and do it in the key of C, but mostly, okay, let me do it in the key of B flat. So it's a simple progression. Most of the time it's a 1 and then a 5, 6, and then a 4. So we are still on the key of B flat. 1, 5, 6, 4. Then the latter part of the song, they play a 5/1, and then they play a diminished chord passing before 6, 5, and then a 4. So let me try and the intro that they played, I like playing my own. So you can do okay, so again 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, again 1, 5, 6, and 4, 1. Then the last part, 5, 6, then 4. Then this time around, okay, so the last part they sing, and then they move to 5. Then they play the 6 for the first verse in the last part. Then they play a 5, a 1/5, 1, and then 5. Then play this chord, then 6, and then 4. So mostly that's the whole song. Okay, so let me try and then show you how to play it in the key of C. So in the key of C2, 5. Okay, let me play it here. 5, 6, 4. Then back to 1. Then the last part that I showed you, then back to 4. All right, so let's